Why it tastes like it's been dipped in milk already.
Stop playing with him.
Jay Da Vinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jay Da Vinci here. Today is actually my birthday. Shout out to all the Virgos out there. If you know me at all, you know that my favorite dessert, chocolate chip cookies. I'm a sucker for chocolate chip cookies. I think I'm gonna start a new little series on my channel where I order chocolate chip cookies from different states and see which one is the best. I love chocolate chip cookies that much. The thumbnail got me. I'm gonna insert a picture of the thumbnail because I had to click it. I was like, where are these cookies at? Come to find out they're in New Jersey. And then I'm like, shh, I wish I had those cookies. And then they were like, and we shipped to California. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna buy those cookies. It took 2 days to get to me, which is amazing. I ordered on Wednesday. They got here on Friday. Yeah, they were about $50 altogether, low key. But let's just get right into the cookie. Let's see if it's worth your dime. And yeah, I'm gonna just give you guys the real tea because I'm a chocolate chip cookie connoisseur. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys that I just love cookies because I don't, but I do love chocolate chip cookies. The company is called Bang Cookies. The box looks like this. Huge box. No, this video isn't sponsored. Please sponsor my next video if you'd love to. And when you open it up, it says, smile, you just got cookies. So excited. Thank you for your purchase. Get ready for a bang. Freeze them for up to 3 months to stay fresh. Shut up. Need to reheat our cookies. They give you the temperature, 350 for about 2 to 3 minutes, or in the microwave, no thank you, 10 to 15. The cookies come like this, wrapped. They make you pay extra for a ice pack, but they're in a container that looks like this. I asked you guys on Instagram, did you guys want to see a mukbang review of this? And y'all said yes. I said yes or hell yes. Y'all said hell yes. So this is not the ice pack. These are the ice packs. An additional money, the ice packs, they're still a little cold, but yeah, no. This is what the cookies look like. I ordered 8. I wish they would have given me an extra just for the hell of it. Extra 2. The cookies were low-key like $4.95, so like $5. That's pretty damn expensive when it comes to a cookie, but is it worth it? I only got 8. Reel it back in. I got 8. Oh, hair popping. Okay, I got 8 because if the cookies were good, I didn't want to not have any more and then want to buy more and then the shipping. So I got 8, and my husband is going to come try the cookie as well. Okay, so this is what the cookie looks like. It's packaged in a little container like this. Organic flour, organic cane sugar, organic brown sugar, grass-fed butter, organic dark chocolate, organic milk chocolate, organic eggs, organic cornstarch, organic vanilla, sea salt, non-GMO baking powder, and baking soda. That's nice, organic. Oh my God, y'all, this looks so beautiful. I'm ridiculous, but look at that. All right, let's give it a whirl. Hey baby, you gonna come try it? You want your own cookie? You want your own cookie?
Yeah.
Oh, you sit over here.
Alright, so you hand me my cookie.
You guys, come sit down. The cookie, you get a nice chocolate chunk in each bite. You taste the sea salt at the top. Where are you going?
Oh, nothing.
You want to have him a cookie?
Bang Cookies, classic, organic.
I already read that.
Natural.
Just eat it.
So,
And then give your description.
it says sliding RDN.
The sound is making me mad. New Jersey. Very good. Is it worth $5 though?
When you eat a $5 cookie, you tasting everything. Because you want it to be worth the $5. It's taste bomb though.
I like how the chocolate chunks are in every bite. Looks like a double stack cookie.
Did you say that?
No.
Looks like it's double stacked. But this shit tastes bomb as fuck.
Let's just focus on me so I'm so pretty.
Chocolate chips.
You guys, so the cookie itself, delicious. Have I had better cookies? No, because the bakery that I normally go to, the cookies are flat. They're hit or miss. I'm not for a ooey gooey cookie. I like a crunchy perimeter and the middle to just be filled with chocolate. Overall, I think it's worth a try. They have oatmeal raisin cookies.
A little bit of sea salt on there.
Yeah. Crazy, right? It's really good. I think I would only need like...
They got oatmeal raisin?
Yeah.
That's my favorite chocolate.
They have a s'mores one. Peanut butter and jelly. They have a lot of different flavors, so whatever is up your alley, right? They have it.
Too?
I feel like cookie wise, you really only need one, which is crazy. I'm a cookie connoisseur. I love cookies. I can eat what, 12 cookies in one sitting. These are really thick and really rich. Is it worth trying it? Do you think it would be like after we finish all these, you think it would be worth to reorder again?
Oh well, yeah. For sure. I want to try the peanut butter and jelly.
I told them I think I might. If you guys like me trying different chocolate chip cookies, I don't know if you're a chocolate chip cookie like I am, and you want me to spend my money trying different cookies from different parts of the state, let me know by giving this video a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment of a cookie place that I should try that offers shipping, and I'll definitely try it because I love, tell them how much I love cookies.
She likes chocolate chip cookies. Not likes, loves. I buy tubs at the grocery store, and obviously they don't compare to...
They don't, because these are thick, like...
This is crazy.
And there's chocolate. It's got dark chocolate and milk chocolate in there. It's just crazy to me how you get chocolate in every bite. Crazy, right?
If it still tastes like this.
It's crazy.
Why it tastes like it's been dipped in milk already.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm on my last piece and this cookie is just so rich. And yeah, talk to you guys next time. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.